Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of setting up a new Notion account. To start, navigate your browser to notion.com. Once the page loads, click on the Get Notion Free button. This will bring you to the account creation screen for your new AI workspace. You have several choices for how to register, such as using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft credentials, or even a passkey or single sign-on. For this demonstration, I will use a standard work email address. Simply enter your email into the field and click the Continue button. Notion will now send a verification code to the email address you provided. Head over to your inbox, open the message from Notion, and copy the code. Return to the sign-up page, paste the code into the box, and hit Continue. Now you can finalize your profile by entering your name and choosing a password. Type those in, and if you like, you can also upload a profile photo. When you are ready, click Continue. Next, you will be asked how you plan to use the platform. I am going to select the For Work option. From here, you can specify if you are using it with a team or by yourself. If you choose a team, you can provide more details about your role, such as selecting Creative. You can always adjust these settings later. Pick the specific ways you plan to use Notion and then press Continue. You will then have the option to invite team members or go directly to your workspace. You can begin with the free version or opt for a 14-day trial of the business plan. Lastly, you can choose to download the desktop app or simply skip that step to use the web-based version. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. I will see you in the next one.